This is an iPad Air 1 with a broken screen digitizer, and here I ordered a digitizer replacement for about $10 on eBay. Arrived after a few days. I don't know how they can sell something like this for $10, but let me show you. So here's the screen. Came like this. They put an envelope and then it sandwiched between it, which is fine. It saves them money shipping. Here you go. Let's see this. Let me pull it out. I should have spent extra money. This is missing the home button, so I'm going to have to move the home button over. So, this is it. I'm going to pull it out. That's better. I had it zoomed in. So I have to still remove, there's a plastic layer over here that needs to be removed. And I have to attach the home button somehow. From the old one. I should have spent a few dollars extra and I could have had the home button, but I was trying to be cheap and save some money. So let me see if I can go do this. It'll be easy because this thing, the screen isn't on. I left it loose. See, I can lift it up over here. So let's go see.